Assalamualaikum and hi, this is our presentation video for our final project report. Our group members are Nur Amir Ashraf bin Nur Zarujhan, Nil Yangwi, Muhammad Ilyas bin Azahir, and Syed Muhammad Aidit bin Syed Muhammad Lutfi. For database, the meaning of database is to solve many of the problems encountered in data management and some text and otherwise it used in almost all modern settings involving data management. So, based on what we have learned here, we applied the database concept and we decided to make a project named ebook system. So, our project is about ebook system in UTeM. Let's start with the first set of slides. The introduction is due to the portability of mobile devices and their ability to perform many jobs on the fly, individuals are constantly utilizing them. With the current COVID-19 scenario and online class sessions, university students such as us will be required to obtain their references online. To address this issue, our group has chosen to create an e-book system enabling students in UTeM to obtain e-books suggested by their instructor. So, this is some example for people using e-books and the normal book. So, the first is the problem statement. Student must borrow this reference book from the library which has a limited supply and to solve it with an ebook system it can be easier and take less time for students to get the materials they need for their lectures. The second problem is students will always be required to spend a lot of money on their education and books. So to solve it, for ebook system can simply eliminate the processing and shipping fees, saving a lot of cash. Next, we move to the objective of the project. The first objective of the project is to develop an efficient e-book system so students have a much better access for their e-books anytime and anywhere when they need to. The second one is to generate a better experience for students when using the e-book system. So, the project significance. To have a more efficient e-book system to lessen the strain of students having to bring a lot of e-books to class every time. It will also assist lecturers quickly locate choices to deliver reference books to students without having to spend the time to research an e-book and to conveniently automate the e-book payment system. Okay, now I will explain about data dictionary. The first one is for the publisher and the type is the primary frame, field name, description, data type, field size, format, and example. The second one is author. Field name, description, data type, field size, format, and example. Next one is course. So for the course, type is field name, description, data type, field size, format, and example. For the student, the type is field name, description, data type, field size, format, and example. And for the ebook, field name, description, data type, field size, format, and example. The last one about the payment. For the payment, field name, description, data type, field size, notes, and example. Okay, now I will proceed with ERD. So from the question, I got 6 entity, which is publisher, author, ebook, course, payment, and student. Firstly, I will explain about ebook. The attributes for ebook is EB name, EB price, EB release date, EB ID, and course ID. Ebook has relationship with publisher, with payment, author, and course. So for a TD student, it has two relationships with which are with cost and payment. We will proceed with business rule. So there are 5 business rules in our project. The first one is a publisher can have many ebooks, but an ebook can only have one publisher. An author can have many ebooks, but an ebook can only have one author. A student can have many courses and a course can have many students. The payment uses the ebook ID and student metric as the primary key. A student can buy only one ebook, but an ebook can be owned by many students. A summary for chapter 3. Chapter 3 is about database implementation. So, what is database implementation? Database implementation is the process of installing database software, performing configuration and customization, running and testing the database, and then integrating it with applications. Finally, the implementation process involves training the users. For the chapter 4, there is three types of what I will explain. The first one is system contribution. Ebook system will assist instructor identify a decent reference book for students since it already in the system. Students will just need to bring their laptop or cell phones to read their reference book while studying. The second one is system drawbacks. Ebook system need batteries. Uncharged device cause a lot of hassle. The suggestion for improvement, there are many suggestions, and the two of them is allow student to rank books so other can know which are popular. And the second one is add book pages ebook to show thickness. So that's all from our group. For our final project report, thank you, Madam Puan Noor Azilah Muda, and this is our project by Group 7.